If you're looking to buy the best blender for vegans, then make sure it's as good as the products in this video. No matter your budget and blending requirements, you'll find a product that's perfect for you in the next few minutes. I've linked to each of them in the description box below, so you can check the prices of each blender. Now, here are my recommendations. Ideal for vegans, this powerful and versatile Nutribullet combo can handle anything from smoothies to soups with ease. The Nutribullet blender combo boasts a robust 1,200 watt motor that effortlessly blends fruits, vegetables, and nuts, giving you smooth and consistent results every time. Its versatility is further enhanced by the inclusion of both a multi-serving pitcher and single-serve cups, making it perfect for whipping up anything from a family-sized soup to a single-serving smoothie on the go. You'll appreciate the convenience of its precision speeds and pulse function, which give you full control over the texture of your blends. The extract program is another fantastic feature, maximizing the nutritional value of your ingredients so that you get all the vital vitamins and minerals from your produce. Additionally, cleaning up is hassle-free thanks to the dishwasher-safe pitcher and cups, so you can spend more time enjoying your plant-based creations and less time on cleanup. Given its powerful performance and variety of uses, the Nutribullet blender combo makes an excellent addition to any vegan kitchen. Its larger size may be a consideration if counter space is limited, but its efficiency and ease of use make it well worth the investment, in my opinion. The number 4 product on my list is the Cleanblend commercial blender, which is a great option for vegans seeking a blender with next-level power that can blitz through tough frozen berries and fibrous veggies. The Cleanblend commercial blender brings serious power to your kitchen with its 3GP 1,800 watt motor. This means you can easily crush ice, puree soups, and blend smoothies without worrying about the motor giving out. Plus, its surprisingly quiet operation makes it a kitchen-friendly choice. As I can safely say from experience, versatility is a key highlight of this blender. It's designed to handle a variety of culinary tasks, effectively replacing up to 9 different kitchen appliances. Whether you're making nut butters, grinding flax seeds, or concocting a creamy vegan soup, this blender covers it all. I can really see why it's a commercial-grade product. You'll be pleased to know that safety and durability are also standout features. The BPA-free pitcher and high-quality stainless steel blades make sure that your nutritious ingredients come out just as healthy as they went in. The robust construction ensures that your investment is protected, and with a 5-year warranty, you have extra peace of mind with your purchase. Overall, the Cleanblend commercial blender is built for those who need a powerful and reliable tool in their vegan kitchen. The multiple functions and strong motor will really help you make the most of your plant-based recipes. Taking the all-important number 3 spot is the Breville Q blender, which I really think is one of the best blenders for vegans that you can buy right now. The Breville Q blender packs a punch with its powerful 1,800 watt motor, making it a breeze to blend your toughest fruits and veggies. You'll appreciate the 186 miles per hour blade tip speed designed to tackle even the crunchiest ingredients swiftly and efficiently. The blender's advanced texture optimization lets you achieve smoother and richer textures with ease. Whether you're making nut butters, shakes, or soups, the 5-speed settings give you precise control to refine your vegan concoctions to perfection. Also, the innovative lid design keeps everything secure and minimizes messes, which is especially handy for high-velocity vegan blending. Cleaning up is also super simple thanks to its auto-clean function, saving you time and effort after enjoying your plant-based creations. While the blender is a bit on the heavier side, making it less portable, it's built to last and withstand regular use, and its powerful performance and long-lasting durability make it a worthwhile investment for any vegan kitchen. Now for the runner-up in my best blender for vegans roundup. For its versatility and ease of use, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic is a fantastic choice for vegans seeking a premium blender to enhance the variety of their plant-based diet. This professional grade blender is equipped with 6 pre-programmed cycles, allowing you to whip up smoothies, batters, frozen treats, and more with just one touch. Its 10-speed manual control gives you the flexibility to achieve the perfect texture every time, which you just don't get with your typical store-bought blender. Its large, BPA-free 75-ounce volume jar can blend up to 32 ounces of food, making it ideal for preparing beverages and meals for 4 people. This capacity is especially beneficial for meal prepping or making larger batches of your favorite vegan recipes. And I have to say, cleaning up is a breeze with the Blendtec Total Blender Classic. You just need to add hot water, a bit of dish soap, and blend for a few seconds. The machine itself can be easily wiped down with a wet cloth. This quick and efficient cleaning routine means you can spend more time enjoying your vegan creations and less time on maintenance. So, what is the best blender for vegans that you can buy? Well, if you're prepared to pay for quality, then my number one recommendation is the Vitamix 5200. The Vitamix 5200 blender offers an impressive range of features that make it stand out. The variable speed control allows you to fine-tune the texture of your blends. Whether you're making a chunky salsa or a nutritious green smoothie, you have complete control over the consistency. This flexibility is a game changer for those looking to create a variety of vegan dishes. Also, the large 64-ounce container is perfect for blending medium to large batches. This means you can prepare soups, smoothies, or sauces for the entire family in one go. The self-cleaning feature is another notable perk. With just a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds, saving you time and hassle. Now, one thing to keep in mind is the noise level. The powerful motor, while efficient, can be quite loud. Additionally, the higher price might be a deterrent for budget-conscious buyers. However, considering its durability and the 7-year full warranty, it can be a worthwhile investment for those serious about blending. Okay, so there you have it, guys. My carefully curated list of the best blenders for vegans on the market today. Feel free to let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful in any way, then please do give it a like. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, you could maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thank you very much for watching.